Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and I am Elizabeth, doing cleaning motivation videos, laundry videos, sometimes cooking, sometimes lifestyle and laundry, sometimes grocery haul. So today I am going to share with you the experience with my new pots. I have some chicken with me. I I don't know how I am going to cook it, but I'll just see. And we just putting the pot into a test, so to see how it goes. I'm not going to regularly use them because they said they do what? They take time to catch the heat. So me with the gas, I don't want to run out as soon as possible. But anyway, I won't use them regularly. The fact that I come in late, I do no. I just want to handle them with care. So let's cook. I'm going to cook in chicken with this pot. Then I will just share it with you how it goes. Do subscribe to my channel. Enjoy this video, guys. So I'll start by washing my chicken. I'll start by washing my chicken. It has melted already. I'm not going to do frying. I don't know. I don't have an idea of what I'm going to do, but I'll just see what comes out. Meal planning is important, guys. Let me wash this thing. What I'm going to do is to spice up my chicken, like always, with, I don't know with what. I'll just see and put things together. This is barbecue, even though this barbecue is for, they use it for barbecue. Then I will have Portuguese chicken. This one makes the chicken taste so nice. Then I like my Italian herb. I'll start by frying it, not forgetting the salt. This is Himalayan pink salt. You don't want your meat to be less salty, but this salt is too concentrated, so you gotta be careful when using the salt. You don't have to put in more because I hope it's enough. So I'm going to fry it with, I think with onion. Yeah, I'll fry it with onion. Let's switch off the stove. Let's switch on the stove in the meantime and put the pot on fire. They say it takes time to heat up. So let's put in this on. Okay, let's chop onions in the meantime. The onion, guys. Guys, how do I forget Raja? A meal is not a meal without Raja in this house. So I'm pouring in some Raja. This side I'm cooking pap. So whether you are saying the lid is a plate or what, I don't have a lid for this pot, so but I have to utilize it. For now I'm going to use that until I find where the lid is. So far here we are coming okay, and I'm so impressed. This is how it looks. So thank you for joining, and the meat was so tasty. Because this is a non-stick, nothing was sticking on the pot, and I really love them. If you want them, guys, you can go and purchase them, and if you didn't see the unboxing, you can go and watch my previous video from this one, and you are good to go. So thank you for joining me on this cooking video. I love you so much, and I am going to enjoy my chicken. Thank you. Bye.